Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make a paper boat using one sheet of printer paper. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is fold the piece of paper in half. Once it's been folded in half, you're going to want to fold it again. So you have something that looks like that. Then unfold it, so you have this crease in the middle. Then don't go on this side that has the opening, go on the other side where it doesn't have the opening, and fold down to make a triangle, and do this on both points. So it makes this kind of like sharp pointy thing. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is peel back one of these, pull it over, pull it over this. Yeah, that doesn't look very even. Pull it over. Then what you're going to want to do is do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that you've done that, what you're going to have to do is unfold one side and fold the corners in. And once you've done that, fold the sheet back over, then turn the sheet over, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Then you should have something that looks kind of like this. Now what you're going to want to do is quite easy, just like pull through, so you end up with a square type thing. Now all you want to do now is fold back. You want to go on this side of the square and fold back each of the corners so it makes a triangle. There's one corner done. Let's see that. Now as you see, you have a triangle. Your paper boat is almost complete. Now what you're going to want to do is go on this side and pull back down on it. Like that, pull. Okay, now your paper boat is pretty much complete. All you have to do now is grab the two corners and pull. Adjust it slightly just so it looks more like a boat. And there you have it, a paper boat ready to set sail. If you want to see more on me, please visit my channel. Also like and subscribe. Well, like and subscribe if you like origami. Yeah, like this video so more people can see it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.